Hey guys, so Samsung is planning to launch its next flagship lineup, Galaxy S21 series, earlier than previous year. We may see the launch for these devices will take place in January 2021, but before that, we have very first look at the 3D CAD renders of the Galaxy S21 and the top-end model Galaxy S21 Ultra, courtesy of legendary OnLeaks. By looking at the renders, it seems like Samsung is going to ditch the curved panel for the lower models, so the Galaxy S21 will have normal, completely flat display just like we have seen on the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. But the front of the phone does look good with a flat display and square type corners. The punch hole for the selfie cam also will be smaller this time. The bezels also looks bigger than the standard Galaxy S20, which means Samsung has downgraded the design so that they can reduce the prices for the Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus variant. And I believe that this is a good move for Samsung because the prices were increasing every year and normal consumers were not even thinking to pay that high price for the lower model. The screen is said to be about 6.2 inches, ideal for 2021 with 120hz refresh rate. Now coming to the back of the phone, the design has completely changed. While it still supports triple camera setup, but the camera bump will merge with the side of the frame. Samsung has gone with a different finish for the glass covering and the housing, which make it stand out from the rest of the back panel. Another change is the LED flash, which is no longer inside the camera housing. The Galaxy S21 still has its power button and volume rockers on the left side, while the bottom of the phone is home to a USB Type-C port, microphone and speaker grill. So that is it in this video guys. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section about the Galaxy S21 first look, and if you end up liking this video then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more updates. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.